Hey guys, it's Attorney Jack from CruiseCasinoMafia.com, and this is another one of our quick breakfast chats on the way home once again from my take a deep breath morning routine, get my iced tea and a bagel, and just kind of clear my mind for what the priorities are for the day. So this is going to be an interesting one. This is on the public YouTube channel, so everybody's going to see this. It's another announcement. So, in the last few days, I mentioned that we're now going to be moving into the next phase of what I had in mind for the membership, for people that have joined privately to get all the good stuff that we've been promising. So we started exactly where we said we would start. We started with throwing out and providing all kinds of interesting money management, betting selections and systems for roulette and baccarat, and lately a lot of fantastic stuff for craps. And then we moved into some fun stuff that we gave out during the football season with prize picks. Really mainly for fun. Make a few dollars, have fun, kind of introduce you guys to what the sports betting world looks like in a tiny way. And there's more to come with that for the next football season. We'll slowly roll that out. And then in the last few weeks, we finally started to talk to you guys about how we've made a lot of money doing crypto investing and teaching people and helping people to understand the power of the volatility in the crypto market and how you can utilize that volatility to empower yourself to make multiples 10, 20, 50 times your money during the right market conditions. But now we're moving into a whole nother world. My background, going all the way back to the beginning of the 90s, was trading and teaching people how to trade Forex and options and stocks and commodities. And I walked away from that for quite a while because of the stress level. But I always loved teaching people. And you guys have given me the ability and the power to once again thrive in regards to the teaching side, having people to show that there's a whole nother world to creating wealth and creating income on a monthly basis. And I really thank you for that. So what I'm going to do and what we're going to be rolling out for the private members over the next few months is fantastic. While we continue to give you casino income systems and crypto updates, I'm going to do something that is beyond all of those things. I'm going to teach you slowly the methodology that very few people know. This methodology involves options. Now here's the deal. Options is pretty much casino gambling. Okay, let me make that clear. The way that 99% of the world uses stock and index options is no different than you putting a bet on the craps table or on the roulette table. You are gambling that you know which direction that stock or index is going. And you are not just gambling by purchasing and holding. With an option, it has an expiration date, just like the bet that you make on the roulette table. The minute that the ball is spinning, your bet is either going to win or lose. So options is the Wall Street version of the roulette table, right? However, just like when you go to the casino, if you could be the casino, you would have an edge. And in the long run, maybe not always the short term, but you would always be a winner. And that's how the casino makes billions of dollars, right? What if I told you that there was a way that you could turn the tables and you could become the casino in the options world? There are multiple ways of doing this, but you have to start with the simple concepts first. This week, I'm introducing to members the basics. What's an option? How do options work? What are strike prices? How do we make money if we actually have stock and we use options to make money against that stock? You've got to start with the basics. But I'm going to tell you right now that what comes after that is a whole different world. It's a world that turns what you've been taught completely upside down. What does that mean? The brokers and most of the YouTube community and the gurus teach you that you have to learn candlesticks and you have to learn lots of technical analysis. And you have to spend hours doing this to maybe get it right 30-40% of the time. Then they tell you that you have to put up a lot of money and be happy with small returns. And the problem is that when you finally have big losers, all those small returns go down the drain, and the broker, our casino, takes all your money. What if I told you there was a way to flip the switch and to take, instead of big risk and be happy with small returns, the $100,000 account and be happy making 1.5% on a trade? What if I told you there was a way to utilize 1.5 or 2% of your total account and make up to 10 times or more the risk on a regular basis? It's pretty interesting, isn't it? That's what we're going to be teaching people. We're going to do a whole series of private videos that are going to start very, very soon, teaching you that method, along with other methods to use in the trading world. So you have a choice. I absolutely love YouTube, and I love our subscribers. And all the free content that I put out is something I really enjoy doing and impacting other people's ways of thinking. But what I'm talking about now is changing people's financial futures. The information, I could create a new website and I could charge thousands of dollars for seminars and the information that I'm going to be giving. And maybe in the future I'll do that again if I have the time. But I've decided that that's not what I want to do. I want to give you guys everything. I want to continue to give members all the casino income strategies. I want to give you guys more sports stuff in the future to have fun with and give yourself a chance of making money. I want to give you guys the crypto newsletters that I usually charge over $1,000 a year for. I want to give you guys all of them. But now I want to do something else. I want to give you guys the information that less than 2% of the public has regarding the real way to make money. Not the way that these gurus are teaching or that the brokers want you to utilize so it makes them more money. And I want to include that right now, going forward, with everybody that joins CruzCasinoMafia.com. And you may say to me, well, why are you doing this? A couple of reasons. One, I really don't have the time, with everything else that I do in my other businesses, to create another separate entity to be able to put this in its own package and to sell it, to go through the website development and everything else. I don't have the energy or the time, guys. That's really the major reason. The second reason is I have faith that anyone that joins CruzCasinoMafia.com has something in common with me and the rest of our members, which is they're looking for a way to supplement and replace their existing jobs or income, to have a better life, to have more cash flow. So even though you may have joined to learn more about roulette or baccarat, I'm going to give you guys the benefit of the doubt that you're smart enough to understand that creating income is creating income, whether it comes from roulette or options or crypto or anything else. At the end of the day, we want more cash flow to take care of our families, to go on better trips, nicer restaurants, and to put into the things that actually really impact our lives while we're here, which is our hobbies, our wants, our desires, and our ability to change the lives of others. I believe that's why you're really here, not just to learn another roulette strategy. If that's the case, join me, join us on the next phase of our journey. You can do that by going to CruzCasinoMafia.com and become a lifetime member. It's a drop in the bucket. I thought about raising the price. I told you guys during the first 9 months of operating on YouTube that we would definitely be raising the price. It's too much of a hassle. I'm not doing it. Join, use the promo code MAFIA and the number 50, and you're going to get in even cheaper. I'm basically giving this away. That's what I'm doing. If you count up the amount of systems, casino systems that we currently have available, it's a huge number. Most of the people that are these casino gurus that you hear about and you see are charging $2,500 to $5,000 for a single system. If you look at the lifetime membership, I'm basically giving you everything I've already given, plus everything we're going to give for pennies. The cost of a coffee. That's basically what it's come down to at this point. And you know what? I'm perfectly happy with that because I enjoy what I do. But what I'm about to give you is worth 10 times everything you've already had. So take advantage of it, because at some point going forward, I'm not going to be able to continue to offer this at the same price. I don't even know whether the current membership will be open for new people at that price. It doesn't really make sense at some point. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Because right now, that's not my goal or my objective. My goal is to continue to provide benefits, continue to teach, and especially to work our way into this new phase of giving you guys the tools that you can utilize in the Wall Street market. With that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. And I hope you guys look forward to all the exciting things that are coming in the near future. I wish you the best, whether you're a private member or whether you're just a subscriber to the public YouTube channel. I can only wish you guys the best fortune and health moving forward. I look forward to being part of that journey, and we'll see you on the next video.